Hello, I'm Dr. Cian Desmond from Ireland's Marai Centre, and this is a brief presentation to introduce IEA Wind TEM 99 on the topic of floating wind arrays, challenges and opportunities. Over the next decade, we are expected to move from deploying pilot and demonstration floating wind farms to the development of large-scale commercial arrays. And this TEM is all about examining the challenges and opportunities presented by this transition in order to maximise the economic, social and environmental benefits. So over the past few months, the TEM Organising Committee has been busy defining 6 distinct research areas which will be examined over the course of the TEM. These research areas are anchors and moorings, met-ocean assessment, cables and export, control, installation O&M, and being a good neighbour. So as you can see, we're casting a very wide net here. The logic behind that is to ensure that we capture the most promising areas for research and innovation. What's interesting is this will in fact be the first ever online TM, and we're going to be using the Zoom video conferencing software. The TM will actually be held over 3 separate days, the 15th, 17th and 20th of July, and delegates are encouraged to only attend sessions which are relevant to their own areas of expertise. So just to give you an idea of how this is actually going to work, let's look at what will happen if a delegate indicates that they're interested in attending the session on anchors and moorings. So before the TM, you'll be sent a list of potential research topics, and you'll be asked to indicate which of these you're interested in discussing. You will also be asked to provide the details of any relevant current research projects that you're involved in, and to produce a slide. This slide will be used to introduce you to other delegates, and you can, if you wish, also produce a short video presentation outlining your own research interests. So during the Topical Experts meeting, initially all delegates will come together for a brief introduction to the research area before breaking into groups of 6 to 8 to discuss the various topics. Each group will have a designated chair and note taker to ensure that everything goes smoothly and that we capture as much detail as possible. Finally, all delegates will come back together with a representative from each group providing a summary of their own group's discussions. This process is going to be repeated for all 6 research areas. The intention here is that we'll identify the most promising topics for further research, and these will then be combined to build an IEA task proposal. Just to summarise the key points, this is the first ever online TM. It's focused specifically on opportunities and challenges associated with array scale deployment of floating wind. So we're not talking about single turbine installations or small demonstration farms. We're talking about full commercial array scale deployment and the unique opportunities and challenges associated with this. Delegates can select which sessions to attend based on their own expertise, and the TEM is going to be spread over 3 days, the 15th, the 17th and the 20th of July. And all sessions are going to be held using Zoom, so it's important that you have access to that piece of software on the device that you're going to be joining us with. So as you can see, this is a very diverse and innovative TEM. Thank you very much for your attention, and we really hope that you can get involved.